राजस्थान रॉयल्स के खिलाफ मैच खेलने के लिए हमारे कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स हैं पूरी तरह से तैयार, पर इस मैच से पहले हमने सोचा कि ओवन मॉर्गन से थोड़ी बातचीत की जाए इस मैच के बारे में। ओवन, the other night, congratulations on KKR's first win, being out there in the middle with Shubman. How was it batting with him?
Delightful, really. It's the first time I've seen him in person bat. He's obviously an impressive young man with a lot of potential, and I think a lot of hype probably that comes with that. And watching him playing against a very experienced Sunrisers attack was a joy to watch. So hopefully that's the start of him kicking on and contributing more and more in our campaign this year. But also from a team perspective, I thought the bowlers really bounced back beautifully from the first game against the Mumbai Indians. So if we can continue to build and learn and use confidence from this game throughout the tournament, because I think we'll ebb and flow throughout the tournament. I don't think any side is going to go unbeaten, given the challenges across the three grounds, and that no team has one control over their own wickets. I think it's going to be challenging for everybody, but huge positives from last night.
Absolutely, and especially for those bowlers taking that confidence into the game against the Rajasthan Royals, because they've got Steve Smith who's hitting big at the top, and then Sanju Samson also made an impact, and now Joss Butler's in the mix. What is the plan to tackle the RR top batting order?
Yeah, they obviously have a very well drilled and experienced side. I suppose the challenges from our point of view is to try and focus on our own game to start with. If we can produce a performance and improve on yesterday's game, I think then that will allow us to execute strategies and plans for Smith, Butler, Samson to try and make inroads, because the honest answer is that they are good players. You have to get them out. If they bat for 20 overs, you're probably going to lose the game, particularly Butler and Samson. Steve Smith's obviously in fine form. But they've had some good success in the limited games that they've played, and obviously they've missed Ben Stokes at the moment. So hopefully we can build on our win yesterday and produce our first win in Dubai.
But in the absence of Ben Stokes, we saw Jofra Archer, your national teammate, hit those big ones. So have you helped the team the rest of the nights with a little bit of maybe tips on how to handle the Jofra batsman threat?
No, to be honest, I was watching it thinking about time. He's threatened to do it in an England shirt loads and loads of times, but he's not produced. So I was thinking, how come not in an England shirt and in a Royal shirt? He's delighted. He's obviously bowled well for a long time. He's had the biggest impact of any player that I can ever remember in an international shirt in his first year, and now into his second year he's growing from strength to strength. So he's a very difficult opponent to come up against. It's not his batting we'll be worried about, it'll be his bowling. So hopefully negate that, make plans. He's played in the IPL now for a long time, so guys know him better than they have done before. So again, we need to play well enough to try and implement plans.
Oh, and you've got some practice in, 2 matches in. What are your assessment of the conditions and the pitches here in the UAE? And are you adjusting your training accordingly for the heat and the kind of conditions we've been offered?
Yeah, we have. Conditions I think have been challenging and indifferent. No 2 pitches I think in any games have been the same. So I think important attribute for any team that wants to be successful in the tournament is going to have to be adaptability. Given any circumstance, any time during the game the wicket might change, or the game just demands something more from you. So I think sides with a more balanced, well-rounded skill set will be best prepared in adapting to conditions, and I think we proved that we could do that last night. The wicket changed a little bit as it got on and proved easier to bat in the second innings. So hopefully if we continue that mindset and that hunger, we can produce more wins.
Speaking of balance, there's been a nice balanced rotation of players because there's so much talent within the squad this time around, which also promotes a sort of healthy competition. How is the management ensuring that everyone gets a chance and that everyone feels like they're in competition?
Yeah, it's an unforgiving sort of challenge that the coach and captain and selectors have, but it's so rewarding, and I think the culture and the team environment really does reflect how the guys who are missing out majority of the time feel. I think they need to feel as big of part as the guys who are playing the biggest roles. because they can be called upon at any time, and ultimately we're all trying to achieve the same goal in winning the IPL. And you cannot win the IPL just with 11 players. You need a big round squad of players in order to win the IPL.
All right, and that's all the chat we have for on field. Off the field, you've spent some time in the bubble and in isolation. What are your top go-to strategies to deal with living in the bubble? How do you spend time?
Well, I've been sleeping in, so I don't wake up until about 12:30. I jump on the bike. I have a bike in my room on the balcony, so it's very hot here at the moment, so you normally get a good sweat on, and then I start my day. So if I don't have anything on before training, so I'll bike, eat, and then I'll sit and study the horse racing form for a couple of hours. Today's NFL Sunday, so this morning I was doing some research on the NFL. So it's the coach's birthday as well this afternoon, so we're going to have a couple of drinks by the pool and dinner tonight, and then tonight we'll watch the NFL.
Owen, thank you so much for talking to us. All the very best for the next game. जैसे कि आपने सुना, ओवन मॉर्गन और हमारे नाइट्स है पूरी तरह से तैयार। जोफ्रा आर्चर के थ्रेट को हैंडल करने के लिए बल्ला हो या गेंद, हमारे नाइट्स होंगे पूरी तरह से सतर्क और तैयारी हो चुकी है इन कंडीशंस में खेलने की। इस ऑपोजिशन को हमने किया है पूरी तरह से एनालाइज। अब बस है मैच शुरू होने की देर।